Hello everyone, welcome to the Soft Coding YouTube channel, and I'm here to talk to you about how to download Intellij IDEA. Intellij IDEA is a powerful IDE for Java and Kotlin development. It has many benefits including intelligent coding assistance, refactoring, instance code navigation, and built-in developer tools. Don't worry if you don't understand these, we will talk about these later. So, to download Intellij IDEA, go to your favorite browser and type Intellij IDEA download in the search bar. And go to the Intellij IDEA website. That's the first one I see from here, www.jetbrains.com. So you should land up in this page, but if you didn't land up on this page, just click the download button and you will see these download options. Intellij IDEA is an IDE developed by JetBrains and is available for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Intellij IDEA is a commercial product, but if you have University or Office email that gives you free access to the ultimate version, you can use that. Or else you can use the trial version and can be downloaded using many options. But if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see there is a free community edition that is available for download. In this tutorial, we will be using the community edition. This too offers the download in various options, so we'll download the executable file. And then we landed upon this page, and here it says if the download didn't start, we can always click this direct link, but the download has already begun, so I don't need the direct link. After this is downloaded, you can click on the downloaded file and continue the instructions in order to install Intellij IDEA. I hope you find this helpful. If you have any issues, comment them below. I will be happy to help you. Thank you for your time.